Avocados are rich in nutrients. But many people are not aware that the seed is also part of this superfood. When we use avocado, usually we throw away their seeds. The seed of the avocado contains cyanide. Instead, the seed of the avocado contains tannins and natural polyphenol, which can also be found in red wine and green tea. Benefits of avocado seeds. Avocado seed contains antioxidants and nutrients more than any other fruits and vegetables. In a study published in 2013 in the Scientific World Journal, the researchers concluded that the extract from the seeds of avocado, at doses below 250 mg per kilogram, is safe and does not show toxicity. According to this study, the stone holds 70% of total antioxidants of avocados, including polyphenols commonly associated with green tea. It is also rich in soluble fiber and healthy oils. The fruit of the avocado is studied for a long time, especially due to its performance benefits it has for the health of the cardiovascular system's ability to produce positive effects on blood lipids. It contains potassium, which helps normalize blood pressure. Avocados also provides lutein, which controls and oxidative stress and inflammation. Avocado seed can be very helpful with the problems of constipation and diarrhea. It's good for gastric ulcer patients. It contains a large amount of fibers that have an extremely positive impact on digestion, so it is used for the prevention of cancer. Avocado seed is rich with antioxidants. Antioxidants are good for health problems. This extract lowers LDL cholesterol, or bad cholesterol, but no increase in triglycerides or reduction of HDL cholesterol. This seed stops inflammations in the body. Seed contains flavonol, who is excellent for prevention tumor. Keeps you safe from cold and flu. Makes your skin younger and energizes you. Cares for our immunity system. Antioxidant polyphenols that were previously mentioned also help to strengthen the immune system. These properties are useful for the treatment of many forms of arthritis. Phenols are natural chemical compounds that are found in many plants, including avocados and his seed. This amazing seed actually contains 4 classes of polyphenols, including proanthocyanidins, flavonoid, flavanol glycosides, flavanol monomers, and hydroxycinamic acids. Scientists have found the existence of a procyanidin trimers, 3-O-caffeoyloquinic acid, and 3-O-coumaroyloquinic acid. They provide anti-carcinogenic and antioxidant properties, which are also effective against many liver diseases. Avocado seed shows ability to treat acute myeloid leukemia in laboratory tests. Now you know that next time when you will eat avocado, you don't have to throw away the seed. You know that it is relatively hard seed, but believe me, it's a very simple process. Remove the seeds from the fruit and put it in a plastic bag with a zip patent. Use a blunt object, hammer, to have crushed the stone. The resulting powder seed you can add in fruit and vegetable salads, or fruit juice. Also, you can crop the seed of wheels that will add in the processor when preparing soup.